Hey everyone, my name is Erica Gonzalez, and I am one of the product training coordinators of the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, we will be looking at 4 new criteria that have been added within Power Search. So to begin, I will click on Create Power Search, and under Specify Criteria is where I can begin to explain the 4 criteria. The first criteria is visit status. Let's scroll down over here. Great. Visit status is when a business wants to be able to select, or rather search results based on a specified date range and so of a client. And so to do that, again, visit status, is or isn't. I'm going to select is, booked, attended, early canceled, late canceled, not showed, or pending. Let's select pending, and then I can select various services that I as the business have here. I can multi-select them. I can select one, or I can select all. Let's select all. During, and then I can select the date range over here. So I can select it from June, and then I can select it all the way from, let's just say, the 29th. Apply, and then I can save there, and that's a search right there. I can also here add staff requirement, and so what this means is that the service must be offered by, I can select the staff right over here. This gets really specific, which is great. And then adding the number of visits, dropping that down, more than, less than, exactly, or in between. Let's say exactly, and then 6. If that's too specific for the business, they can just trash that there. We can also add, so let's just say a business wants to be able to select visit status again, but with another criteria, they can do so and follow the sequence there. And then they can omit that if they no longer want that using the minus button there. Great. The second criteria is first visit. So let us actually just go right over here. And first visit, let's just scroll up right over here. So first visit would be chosen by a business for them to know clients who have attended their first visit, or what is the first visit of a client of the business. First visit was, and then they can select the service over here. So this could be used, for example, if a business, let's just say first consultation, a business wants to be able to see all the first consultations of a particular month. And when they save that, it creates that search. They can see the list of clients, and then they would be able to send them a message via message centers, thanking them for attending their first consultation and that they look forward to having them as part of the business. And that is first visit. Let's go on to last visit. Scrolling down here, last visit. So last visit criteria would be if a business wants to be able to locate when was a client's last visit. Last visit selected was, I can enter the value 889. Let's select 7. I can select days, weeks, months, or years. Let's select months, ago, and at the location. This is a multi-location, so I can select one, I can select all. And that is last visit. So a last visit could be a client who hasn't attended the business for quite some time, and the business wants to be able to know which client or clients those are. And once they find out that information, they are able to then possibly send them an email and just asking them to come back to the business, providing them maybe a discount code or something enticing that would want to have them come back. And so there you have last visit. And then we have lifetime visits. Just slightly scrolling down here. Great. Lifetime visits would be chosen from a business to know the total number of visits they have attended the business. And so simply lifetime visits, selecting at least or less than or exactly or between. Let's select exactly. Numerical value can be 18. Save and then search. And so here we have been able to look at the 4 criteria, the visit status. Right over here, we have looked at the first status, scrolling up, or first visit. We have looked at the last visit, and we have looked at lifetime visits. So with these 4 new criteria added, businesses can further customize power searches for specific client groups, such as at-risk clients, or congratulate clients for their time with the business. This has now brought our video to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.